Hey everyone, I hope you guys are doing well. I'm finally back with another tutorial and I've also upgraded my video quality, so you'll be seeing a lot more videos on a regular basis. Anyway, so I did get a few emails regarding how to go about using a bronzer. So here it is. Now remember, with the bronzer you want to go for 2 shades darker than your skin tone and you have to find the right shade, okay? You want to achieve a soft, sun-kissed look, like a natural, healthy glow. And instead of sitting and tanning in the sun and damaging your skin, all you need is just one product, which is a bronzer. And I'm going to be using the new Lakme Absolute Sun-Kissed Bronzer, which looks like this. Okay. I am so impressed by this product because it has a dual shade. So you've got a lighter shade on one side, the darker one, and of course you can mix them both to get a medium shade. And I've started doing that a lot lately because you feel like you've created your own shade by mixing them up. What I love about this is that it's not too orangey, it doesn't give like a muddy finish, it doesn't look too dirty, you don't look burnt out. It gives a very nice soft healthy glow. It's perfect for Indian skin tone and the texture is amazing. It's not too shimmery. Remember, when you apply too much shimmer, your pores get emphasized, and also if you have spots or any redness, it accentuates it. So stay away from too much shimmer. And it's not matte either, it's like in between. It gives like a soft velvety satiny finish. And another thing about this, which I absolutely love, is that it's multi-purpose. You can use it on your face, on your body. I've actually used it as an eyeshadow. My inner shade here is the lighter color. You can of course mix them both up, and if you have a duskier complexion, go for this one. It works beautiful as an everyday eyeshadow shade as well. Just pop some on and you're done. Sorry, enough talking. I hope you have fun watching this video. Okay, I'm going to start off by dabbing on some loose powder all over my face, just so that the extra oil and moisture is absorbed and my bronzer will not streak this way. This is especially important if you're from a hot and humid climate like where I'm from and you tend to keep sweating. So just dab some on the areas where you want to apply your bronzer. Okay. Now a lot of us tend to use large powder brushes like these to apply bronzer, but I personally prefer using smaller brushes because the powder brushes tend to go everywhere. You don't want your bronzer to go all over your face and look burnt out. You want to just apply bronzer in specific areas of your face so that you give a nice sculpted look, like high cheekbones, defined jawline. All of that looks really pretty. So I personally don't like using large brushes, and I prefer like an angular brush so that it gets into the hollows of your cheekbones and it's pretty easy to use. So I'm going to be applying a medium shade by mixing these two colors here, the light and the dark. So just take some on. Remember, dab off extras. You don't want to blow, because if you blow, automatically there'll be a bit of moisture and again that will cause streaking. So don't blow, just dab off and make like a fish face and smile. Okay, so this is the fish face, and you also want to smile so that you can see your cheekbones. We'll start off at the cheekbones and then I'll take you through what we're going to do next. And keep blending in circular motions. This is again to avoid the streak. Okay, so let's just do it quickly. Sorry, I thought it stopped recording, but it didn't. Okay, so I'm going to take a little bit more. How much? Just dab off and apply over it. Remember, a little goes a long way and less is more. So start off by applying very little and add layers as you go. Taking it all the way up, and I'm going to work towards my temples. So I'm going to take it up there, bring it down, and remember your hairline, you can't skip that. You don't want it to look like a mask, so blend it evenly into your hairline and do the same thing on the other side. So you start off below your cheekbones. This is more like a contour effect. I prefer using like a contouring method while applying a bronzer so that you get a slimming effect as well. A bit more. Just go up there. Okay, now the next place I'm going to apply bronzer is underneath my jawline. Okay, so mix the two colors up. Just underneath, right there, and lift it down. Work along your jawline. It's pretty easy. Doing your jawline is extremely easy. And this way you can also give an illusion of a more defined, sculpted jawline, chiseled jawline. Okay, so once that's done, I don't like applying much on my forehead and nose, but whatever extra there is, you can just brush it onto your nose and into your forehead. Just a bit on my T-zone. Okay, that's it. This is all you need to do. And just a trick is you can sort of draw a 3 onto your face. So you start there, somewhere there. You go underneath your cheekbones and you go underneath your jawline. You can avoid a blush if you like, but if you want to apply a blush, go ahead, because a bronzer paired up with a blush goes really well. So I'm going to use like an Oriflame blush. It's like a peachish corally blush. Okay, just a little bit on. And this I'm going to apply onto the apples of my cheeks. So I'm just going to smile. The best way to apply blush is to smile. Just onto the apples. Can you see the difference? So this is without the blush and this is with the blush. Now, in case you've applied too much bronzer, take your large fluffy brush, any large fluffy brush, dab on some loose powder and just blend it away. Okay, and the best way to see how much bronzer you've applied is to look at it in sunlight. And just in case you've gone overboard, you can blend it out using a large brush. Okay, so now I'm going to apply the blush on the other side as well, just to make it even. I'm going to blend both of them together so that it gives a nice soft blended approach. And that's it. It's really easy. This is one of my favorite looks and it's extremely easy. It takes literally 2 minutes. So this is the final look after blending out all the extra bronzer I piled onto my face. I didn't even realize. I went overboard. You must have thought, oh my god, this girl is crazy. I kept applying and applying and applying. But yeah, it took literally 10 seconds to blend it all out, so it's fine. I hope you like this look. Please do try it out. It's summer, have fun, and stay tuned for more videos. Please like my Facebook page, Mesmerize Makeup, and check out my blog, mesmerizemakeup.com. Thanks for watching again, and I'll see you soon. Bye.